I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. In trading room, 5 fidget queen to the queen world. If one fidget go in the poor world, scan here. Here? Okay. Rules: no scamming, no bullying, no fighting, or else. Oh my god, that's kind of scary. So let's go. Whoa! Okay, I'm in the portal of Queen. Who wants to fidget trade with me? Who wants to fidget trade with me? Who wants to fidget trade? Me. Okay, I will trade this to you. Okay. What the hell is that? Okay, I will fidget trade. I will trade this, and you will not accept. Give me this. You're not putting in here. Look at this. Ew. Next. Okay, me. I will trade this. Squishy, but he's kind of hard, but it's squishy. Bro, that's a toy, but I'll accept that. And I will trade this to you. I will trade this. Accept. Yeah! Bye-bye! Bye! I'm so lucky. I have so many squishy. Look at this. This is a new squishy. Okay, who wants to fidget trade? Me. Okay, I will trade you this squishy flower. I think accept. What is that? Okay. I will trade this to you. Now add please. But I don't have one. Accept. No, don't touch my squishy. That's enough. No. Hey! No. That's what you deserve. Next! You can blame me for that. Me. I will trade you this boat. Accept. That's no. Or else accept. I will trade you this squishy, but it's kind of hard, but still squishy. Accept. I accept. Kind of hard. Okay. Next! Sige, Max. Oh, here you are. That's all you have? Okay, put it here. Add. Oh, you add that? Oh, accept. I will give this to you. Accept. Oh, you to get it now. I'm so fired. This is super rare. I cannot trade this. And this too. I cannot trade this. Who wants to fidget trade? Bye guys.